The fourth law is called Avogadro's law. This law states that the volume of a given amount of a gas is directly proportional to its number of moles taken at constant temperature and pressure. So if we keep the temperature and pressure of the gas constant, its volume will be directly proportional to the number of moles taken. That's a very important law, and which states that if we are taking more the number of the moles of a gas, how higher will be its volume. And higher is the volume, we know that what will happen is the density will also get what immediately gets affected accordingly. Now, we need to know this. Any gas which follows Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Avogadro's law strictly is called an ideal gas. Now we know volume is inversely proportional to pressure at constant temperature. Volume is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. This is from Boyle's law, this is from Charles' law. We can conclude that volume is directly proportional to T by P, or we find that its PV over T will be always constant, and that is why we have a relationship P1 V1 over T1 equal to P2 V2 over T2. Very important relationship to convert the pressure, volume, temperature of a gas from one state to the other state. That is why, but that's the most important use of this formula we have.